to give a technical seminar on IVTech technology. In this IVTech technology, what does it is an intelligent variable valve, lifting and electronic control. These are the content which I will explain. Before going to IVTech technology, first we have to understand what is the basic operation British engine. This is British engine, as we can see here. These are the four cylinder and the position reciprocate. The here red bar shows the exhaust valve and the blue bar shows the inlet valve. As we know, the air fuel mixture is come from the carburetor during the suction stroke. After this suction stroke, this air fuel mixture is compressed at high pressure. The injector is provided in between top of the cylinder. This is the spark and the power should be produced. After this engine holds good efficiency up to certain RPM. Beyond that, lift of inlet valve exhaust valve is not enough to produce high power. Because of the inlet and exhaust valve lift is up to certain position only. But it is good hold for low speed only. If it's increasing speed means the certain RPM beyond that inlet exhaust valve not enough to produce high power as well as efficiency also. To overcome this problem, we are inlet and exhaust lift has to be increased. If we want to increase this lift of inlet and exhaust valve, we will use IVTech. This is the need. Why we want this IVTech technology? In this modern world, everybody wants great mileage in his or her car with such a mileage and great power, both in one car only. As you know, the fuel efficiency, fuel price also increasing day by day. So proper fuel utilization also important thing. This is the introduction. IVTech is the intelligent variable valve timing and lift electronic control, which is increasing quality efficiency for four-stroke internal combustion engine. And the IVTech gives two cam sub profile and hydraulic select between profile. This is the person who developed Honda engine, this IVTech technology. Is Ivo Kanchitani. He is the person who developed IVTech technology. The principle of the IVTech technology is the system to optimize the amount of air fuel mixture entering and the amount of exhaust gas leaving. The cylinder works on completed range of engine speed. IVTech system is simple, fairly iterative method to using engine with multiple camshafts for optimizing the low and high RPM. As you know, cam main use is the rotate motion versus linear motion. In this technology, there are two cam profile pair is used in IVTech technology. Additional cam profile with larger diameter compared to traditional one has been set between the pair of traditional cams. This additional cam is actuated while this engine speed is predetermined across the 4,400 RPM. See, here we can see that normal valve mechanism for non-traditional engine, and here we can see that VTEC mechanism. This is a blue color shows rocker arm, and this upper portion is cam. Here the only two cam are used. One is one cam profile, one pair of. And here total one pair, this one blue and one is orange color. Means total two pair we are using. But in this orange color, the additional cam profile is a bigger diameter compared to traditional one. Due to this, the inlet valve is open, lift is increasing at high RPM, more than 4,400 RPM. This is the technology. In this technology, at low speed, say here is the inlet valve. At low speed, the inlet valve is open up to some level only because of lower fuel consumption at low speed only for better fuel consumption. While the speed is exceeded 4,400 RPM, that time the inlet valve is open maximum, means high performance take place at high speed. This is the basic VTEC mechanism. In this basic VTEC mechanism, use technology is called hydraulic actuated pin. This is the hydraulic actuated pin. Actually, this pin is actuated. We can say animation. Initially, at low speed, at low speed, the hydraulic pin is not actuated. As you can see here. See, here now its hydraulic pin is not actuated. During this, the valve is this rocker arm is lifted by the rocker arm is controlling by this smaller cam profile. This is the blue cam profile. See, it's a lower lift. While at high speed, this hydraulic pin is actuated due to the additional cam profile. Due to this rocker arm now operated by this orange one. See, it's big compared to that maximum inlet valve is open. And again, this pin is again original position by the spring. They put on spring is the pin like original position. See, this is another diagram of better understanding. Here also same thing. The hydraulic pin is not at figure 1 normal operation during low speed. The hydraulic pin is not actuated. It is disengaged. This is a rocker arm. This is a cam profile. And after high speed, high performance camshaft, this pin is engaged to these this rocker arm. Due to this, now the rocker arm is lifted by this bigger additional cam profile. It means the inlet valve is open more compared to this normal speed. You can see here in this rocker arm is lifted by this bigger cam profile, and we can see here this is the rocker arm, two rocker arms lifted by this traditional rocker arm or cam profile. Cross-section view at animation same thing. At low speed, this pin is not this hydraulic pin is not engaged, and the rocker arm is lifted by this smaller cam profile. And same at high engine speed, this hydraulic pin is actuated. Due to this, there are three rocker arms engaged, and the rocker arm is actively moving like spring movement due to this bigger rocker arm. Cam profile, sorry. And the valve is lifted up to this high valve lift. These are the difference between IVTEC and non-VTEC engine. As I told you, in IVTEC engine there are additional cam profile are used, while in non-VTEC engine there is only one pair of cam profile are used. In IVTEC engine, excellent performance at high and low speed, while non-VTEC engine can only optimize performance because at low speed and high speed both. There is no additional valve, means there is no change in operation in mechanism. In IVTEC, this IVTEC is only available for Honda, while non-IVTEC are found any of the car brand. IVTEC engines are much better than non-VTEC for straight cars, intercity cars. These are the advantages. At higher RPM, the cams being more efficiently because additional cam profile are used here, which now lift the system. IVTEC system gives high power plus low fuel consumption. IVTEC regulates and here the inlet valve and exhaust valve both are regulating by the depending on the engine speed. These advantages, as I told you, in this additional cam profile are used, so mechanism somewhat complex and cost also increasing. And same rear and tail roll is for all the engine is common and decreasing engine life because high power is produced. This is a Honda engine which developed by Honda company and it's assembled in this Honda City car. The company gives this is diesel version, same IVTEC system, but this is diesel version. This is IDTEC and this gives 26 km mileage. And I will take you 18 km. This is assembled in this Honda City car. These are the applications. I will take technology available to all Honda products. Recently, the Honda Mobility also came with IVTEC technology. Conclusion: many companies are trying to achieve this intelligent variable valve timing control, but Honda Motors are implementing IVTEC system successfully till now. Proves it to be useful for daily driving life. IVTEC is nothing but cam for all reasons because here main operation is cam only. Depending on the cam, the inlet and outlet are open. Additional cam are used in this technology. Reference. I will recommend.
Okay, but if we always open for more dimensions, okay, it is going to take more fuel.
No, actually, sir, this is also VTEC only. Whole system is VTEC. But here, while opening between the high low engine speed, at low engine speed, the valve open up to this much only. And valve is open only small amount of lower fuel consumption. Because of lower fuel consumption, after engine speed exceeds more than 4,400 rpm, this ribbon computer science computer technology is there. It sends the speed and it one solenoid also is there, solenoid which push hydraulically the hydraulic pin, as I showed you, the hydraulic pin. This hydraulic pin is actuated between this additional cam profile. Additional cam profile. It means this additional cam profile lift up to this one, big one. This is lifted by the additional cam profile. Here.
Very back there.
At low speed, engine at
Ranjit.
yeah, it has at low speed, normal engine. But another car, only one speed we can achieve. Means at high speed also, same because fuel consumption more at high speed. This engine is more performance because air fuel mixture is supplied to the combustion chamber is more at high speed only. Rather than this is actually and this valve is lifted to the bigger cam profile. Means valve is lifted to orange line.
Fuel consumption is same or it's going to increase.
At high speed it will consume.
If it doesn't
Consume less at high speed. Because normal engine it will not give performance also. Because of the inlet valve is not move more. It's some level. Engine, the inlet valve is increasing more up to this level. It means more air fuel mixture is come to the combustion chamber. It means more power. If more
That's
power,
what we are telling you. In the higher speeds, it will consume more fuel due to the opening of the valves.
accurate the speed also it will depending on the kilometer also. If more power,
We are telling about performance, right? We are telling about economy wise. Okay, to know like advantages, fuel consumption is less.
less. Less because
We should mention that fuel consumption is less.
Yes,
Only
sir.
low speeds.
actually sir in normal engine only one there's two cam profiles are there. Only two. The valve is left up to low valve. During this the engine is operate high speed also and low speed also. Means while you are going high speed, the engine will not give more torque because fuel mixture is not much more compared to this additional one.
Depending upon the torque and the speed.
Yeah, torque and the speed.
It's going to change. Fuel consumption is going to change.
That average. Here we can only one valve is operated, inlet valve and two exhaust valve. During low speed, only one inlet valve is open. Only one inlet valve. After certain 2400 rpm, this is the hydraulic pin. Now it's not engaged, now it is engaged. It is run by the solenoid, hydraulically actuated solenoid. Now with high RPM. at 4,400 RPM and it's work.
The fast moving cars also the same.
Yes, turbo.
Huh?
Turbo charger. But it is external